Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty, and I have a HelloFresh unboxing for you guys today. I am super excited because I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So let's get right into what I got in my box this week. Now I get 3 meals for 2 people. The normal price for this box is going to be $60. The discount price on your first box, if you use my code in the description box, will be $20 plus free shipping, guys. Always free shipping, so it's $60 plus free shipping or $20 plus free shipping. You're getting $40 off for using my code. That's amazing, guys. You could get 3 meals for 2 people, even if you only did it for 1 week. Think about that, for $20. Now, to some of you, this may seem expensive at $60 a box. It all depends on where you live in the country. If you live in New York City, if you live in LA, $60 for organic, farm fresh, healthy meals delivered to your door, pre-portioned size, or you get the nutrition guide, all of that. To some people, it's not a lot of money. To some people, if you live in a area where you can get things super discounted and you're an extreme couponer, maybe it doesn't feel like a good value for you. It's all going to depend on your financial status, to be quite honest, what you can afford. And it's going to depend on what you have available to you in different price points, because certain areas of the country are going to mark up things so much higher than other areas. So it just kind of is what it is. I like to be super honest with you guys, and I know that not everyone has $60 for food, for 3 meals for 2 people. Not everybody has that. Sometimes that's your budget for the whole week. But the good part is, if you want to take advantage of this for 1 week and do it for $20, you can get a lot of food. And this is definitely an amazing value for $20. Now, I will tell you that you have available options. I think it's 8 meals per week to choose from. One of them is a vegan option as well. Some of them have premium, like premium cuts of steak, where you can get an extra $10, so it'd be $70 for the box. It just depends on what you decide to pick. So these are the basic standard meals. These are not premium and these are not vegetarian, but you do have that option when you order. What I highly recommend is, if you want to do this one time, go in, use the link in the description. It'll automatically take the deduction out at checkout. You will, of course, have to give your credit card. Go to the menu, right? Because you're going to have to go to the menu anyway to order which meals that you want. When you order the meals that you want, skip the next 2 to 3 weeks. That way you get your food, and then you just go back in and then you cancel it out. That way you're never charged for a second or third week. It's so super simple to navigate their website, guys. If you have any questions, they do have customer service, phone number, and there is a live chat during their business hours. So it's super, super simple. I've gotten several of these boxes. I love them. And honestly, I got this box for free because of you guys. Several of you have ordered HelloFresh from my link, and this box came to me, and I'm reviewing it to you. And because I've gotten so many boxes, they actually gave me a free box to give away to you guys. And you could get that too. It's nothing special because I'm a YouTuber. It just happens to be because of how many boxes I've gotten. They gave me a code to give away a free box. So if you would like to enter for the free box, you want to hashtag HelloFresh down in the comment section below. So hashtag HelloFresh. I'm going to put the rest of the details for the giveaway in the description box. It's super important that you read the description box because I want to make sure I put this in detail. Now let's get right into the food. The first option that I picked was the cherry balsamic pork chops. That looks so good, right? So they give you every single thing you could possibly need. I'm a sucker for these little tiny jars. They're so super cute. So cute. You get the little Vermont maple syrup. You get the little what. They give you exactly what you need, and most of the time, quite honestly, I have more than what I need for the recipe as far as condiments. 100%. And things like the scallions, I've said this in a previous video, I put those in water and I regenerate them and regrow them. And I love that. Now this time they actually sent me a coupon for free mayonnaise because one of the recipe calls for mayonnaise. This is the brand they must be working with. So I got a coupon for $4.50 off of any Heinz mayo. So bonus. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm sorry. I get distracted. I get so excited. Look at all this stuff. This is like Christmas for me. Like Christmas. So they give you the seasonings like dried thyme, balsamic vinaigrette. Here's the broccoli. Like, look at the portion size for broccoli and look at how much they give you. So you're definitely going to have extra broccoli. So that's a plus. Thoroughly washed. Yes, that is a plus. And sometimes I take certain things out. Oh, I don't think I had that standing up. Sometimes I take things out and I just make my own things with it. Like, I like to be creative. Sometimes I follow the recipe to a T. It just depends on what I'm feeling that day. So you do get your meat as well. It's always, can I just tell you, it's always, I'm just really honest, it's always so like butter when you cut into their meat. Like, you know when you get pork chops or like even steak from a store, even if you get a good cut of steak, like sometimes it's like, I don't know, I find that maybe I'm overcooking it, I'm not sure, but I don't know, because I'm cooking this and it comes, the meat is just better quality. I can't explain it. Like, you know when you buy inexpensive meat at the store and the muscle's tight on the chicken and you tell when you cook it, like, I feel like this is just, it's just a better quality, better taking care of animals. That's just my opinion. Like, you can tell, guys, it sounds so dramatic, but I'm being very serious. You can tell the difference in their meat so much. And if you guys get this box, I want to talk to you, and I want to hear whether you agree with me or not, because I really, really think there's a huge difference in their meat. And it stays like true to color. Like, you never go to the grocery store, and it just, I don't know how to explain it, but again, I'm getting overwhelmed because I normally don't place everything out on the table at once either. I'm doing a little something different. I think I've done it once or twice in the past, but not often. I'm moving my office chair around. That's the noise you hear in the back. And the birds are wide awake. Yes, they are. So the next meal I got was the maple and rosemary glazed pork cutlets. Oh my gosh, so good, right? So you get the bag of salad, you have the apple. This, when I opened the box, oh my gosh, it smelled so good. I don't ever use this in my recipes, the rosemary, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. A lot of times what I do when I get herbs that I won't use is I put them in olive oil in a bottle, a glass bottle from Dollar Tree, and just use them as decor. Oh my gosh. I can't help myself. It just really, really smells good. So they give you the couscous. Let me show you too, real quick, what the menu card looks like, right? So you get the picture of what it should look like. Okay, so they're promoting this a little bit. And then it tells you get the pork cutlets, the gala apple, the rosemary, the scallions. You get the spring mix lettuce. You get the mayonnaise, the white wine vinegar, maple syrup, couscous, and the chicken stock concentrate, which they come often, these little packages. They're like little packages of flavor. They're so good. And then they have the directions on the back. And look at how simple they are to follow. It's usually 6 steps, super easy. Let's see. Yeah, see? 6 steps. I'm almost positive they're all 6 steps. I know there's shadows, guys. It's late. But when you get food, you got to film the same day. You know what I'm saying? And I had other stuff I had to do today, so I'm sorry, guys. But yeah. Oh my gosh, so good. So good, so good. Okay. What dressing is that? Oh, it's with the mayonnaise and the, let's see. Whisk together Heinz mayonnaise and remaining vinegar in medium bowl. Add lettuce and apple. Toss to combine salt and pepper. Doesn't that salad look so good? And it's not like I'm like, oh, salad's, but that looks good. That looks really good. Again, see, they say 2 people, but this is 3 pork chops. I mean, that's a good amount of meat. I'm sorry if you're vegan to see the meat. I apologize. All right, so the third meal that I got, and I got 2 pork and 1 chicken because I have a ton of red meat as far as like beef and steak in my fridge, so, or my freezer, excuse me, so that's why I got the pork, so much pork. I normally mix it up, but I wanted to kind of mix up what was in my freezer. Honey sriracha chicken legs, fresh green beans, rice, so good, so good. All right, here's the chicken. And guys, don't worry about the chicken being near other things. It's vacuum sealed. They vacuum seal all their meat. So like you can legit just put this in the freezer and it'll stay for so long. And as you can see, it's inspected, all that fun stuff, raised without antibiotics. So yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot for 2 people, I think. A little soy sauce. They give you the hot sauce and the sesame oil and the honey. I mean, they just cover it all. They really do. And then the fresh green beans. So many times, I actually prefer these because I've gotten green beans quite a bit with their meals. I actually prefer them raw. I just like to chew on them and chunk on them over liking them cooked, believe it or not. So a lot of times, I don't cook them. I just eat them just like this. And they're so fresh every single time. I don't know how they do it because it doesn't matter if it's in the winter, the spring, the summer. Ooh, look at Product of the USA. We love that. They're just always good. They're like always perfect. That's what I have to say about all of their stuff. Like their fruits and veggies, always perfect. And if gosh forbid it wasn't, all you do is call them. Like if this apple wasn't good, you call them, they give you a $10 credit. It's an automatic $10 credit, right? So that's perfect. And then if gosh forbid something was wrong with your meat, like your main, you know, that's a big part of your meal. It's half of your meal, if not more. They'll credit you for that. They're just really good customer service. And I really appreciate them so much. So I think that's it, guys. I'll put the rest of the details in the description box, but let me know if you're going to order. I would love to thank you and find out your feedback, but I don't know which one I'm going to make first. I don't know. It all looks good to me. Bye, guys.